These three men were watching 15 lions feasting, and they were planning to make the lions' lunch their own. However, since the lions had just begun to eat, the hungry males would kill anything that stood in the way of their food. So, the three men waited quietly for the right moment. Once the lions were about halfway through their meal, the men stood up at the same time and coolly walked toward the lions. This is the ultimate battle of courage. A single step back and they'd also become lion lunch. All the lions stopped eating and stared in shock at the three men approaching. They had never seen such humans before. As the first lion fled, the rest followed. But the lions weren't going far. They hid out in the nearby woods, keeping an eye on the men. One man expertly cut the wildebeest's meat, while the other two kept watch. They knew they had to leave before the lions caught on to their bluff. Just moments later, the men walked off with a whole wildebeest leg, leaving the lions to come back and finish up their interrupted feast.